everyone, welcome to our third video of Learning Linux. Unfortunately, whether you like it or not, this is going to be our last video. So, in this video, we're going to talk about loop. Now, what is loop? Well, loop, let's say you have a list of stuff. Python will go through every single one of them and list it for you until it's done, until it's satisfied. For example, the example I'm about to give you right now, it's going to be basically a basket of shopping fruits. And you know what? Let me show you. So let me make this variable name fruits, for example. Now I'm going to open my bracket, but this bracket is not going to be different. So for loop, you want to use this type of bracket. Let's say I have apple, and let's say I have a banana, and let's say I have cherry, for example. Now let's say I have a date. Now after all of this, now I want to go for fruit. Okay, you're gonna rename this to fruit. For fruits, in fruits, print each single fruit. Now, if I run this for fruit, guys, why is giving me an error? For fruit in fruits, maybe? Is this gonna work? Okay, maybe, let's see. Yeah, okay, I made a mistake. Cause I eventually, oh my god. What I did, I name it fruits in here, then I name it on fruits. So, I name it this, but this is what's gonna happen. So now, it doesn't loop, so it doesn't stop. So now, it lists for me apple, banana, cherry, and date. And this might not look useful, but it's super useful. If you have big data, it's gonna list every single, let's say you gotta know every single username. You just copy and paste it here, you put this command, it gives you every single person on that data. And let's say you have 1 million people, you're not gonna be able to do this. So this is the first example. Now let's do something else. So let's say I wanna say hello 5 times. I'm not gonna go say print, hello, hello, hello. I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna say counter, and I'm gonna say 0. Always put 0 in here. Now in here, I'm gonna say counter. I want to list it in 5, so I'm gonna say 5. I want 5 counters. Hello. So in here, I'm gonna say what I want to say, but since I said hello, so I'm gonna say hello. And in here, I'm gonna say counter plus 1. Now I will explain why 1. So now if I run this, I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I put 2, it's going to take 2 out. So there's only going to be 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now see what happens if I just want. So let's say I want to annoy someone. I connect this to my Instagram, for example, and I have done this before. I pranked one of my friends like this. I connected to this, and I connected to my Instagram, and I pasted, and I put 0 in here. Now, if I run it, it will just give me endless hello, for example. It will not end. It will actually, if I have to stop it, because my Python, last time that I did this, my Python actually glitched. So, this is a super short video, but this is it. This is basically what loop is, and yeah. And should I give you guys another example? Let me give you guys another example. So another example could be this. So let's say I have a variable named n. Now n is 0. Now I'm gonna say, well, it's true. And then here I'm gonna say if n equals 3, basically 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna use this command, use break. Now in here I'm going to say print n. Now in here I'm going to say if n equals n, remember the first video, plus is 1. So in here I'm going to give it another 1. Oh. So now if I run this, Whoa, what's happening, guys? So n equals 0 while true. If n equals 3, break, print. No, doesn't like that. And n equals n. Yeah, I did something wrong in here. So I'm gonna say print. In here I'm gonna open my bracket, put n, our variable, and then in here I'm gonna say if n equals n plus 1. Still doesn't like it, so oh, the problem is this. Oh, I know what the problem is. It's so simple, but yet it's so hard. I forgot. I forgot the truth. It starts with a capital T. But now it says 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now if I put 10 here, it's going to go 1 to 9. 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, and so on. If I put 20, it's going to stop at 19. 19. Now if I put, for example, if I put 3, it's going to take 3 away. And it's going to go. Let's stop this. Put this 1. This is basically where it starts. So I can put 1 here. It's going to start from 1. It's no longer going to start from 0. If I put 21, it's going to start 20. Basically, this is what loop is. It just lets sits until it ends with it. So yeah, and we're finished with our Python lessons. Hope you liked it. Sorry if I was going a bit too fast. I don't want to get you guys too bored. I want you guys to learn some stuff and practice it over and over. Yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching.